So the first bit we're going to have a look at is the camera and the gimbal. So all you want to do is just nice and easily just remove that gimbal cover. And as with everything Matrice 4E, another mystery of the universe, is they always have sort of different gimbal covers and fastenings for their cameras, etc. So there we are, just nice and easy. We take off our gimbal cover. And what you want to make sure is when you inspect your gimbal cover, just make sure that there's no dirt or cracks, etc. on the outside, but also on the inside. You're going to want to make sure that there's no dirt on the inside there. And that's simply because this is what protects your gimbal camera, the lenses, and all the mechanisms inside the gimbal that help it to maneuver around and take all that lovely mapping imagery for you. And when you do take it off before your flight, I would suggest that you either leave this in the case or in your pocket, or if you're gonna have to put it on the ground, like every good military person will know, you leave it so that the dome is facing up. So don't leave it upside down. So if you leave it upside down like this and place it down, what will happen is you'll just get dust and dirt and insects in it. So always keep it, if you are going to take it off outside and leave it next to where it's taken off or something, always leave it facing, well, down like that, really. All right? Excellent. Now, what we're going to have a look at here is the gimbal here, which is on the front of the drone. It would be, wouldn't it? It wouldn't be on the back or anything like that. So this is our main camera. So this is for the Matrice 4E. And obviously, because it's got a mechanical shutter, it doesn't have the thermal camera with it, simply because there's no room for the mechanical shutter and the thermal camera as well. So the Matrice 4T, which some of you will have there, will have the thermal camera. So what you want to do is just, in the first instance, make sure that the gimbal just easily rotates. There's no friction, as it were. And it just goes up and down nice and easily. Excellent.